Welcome to my corner of the shop. This is all my junk. This is my rollaway. I've had it for, I don't know, 35 years. It's a Craftsman Master Mechanics set. Still works really good. About 90%, 95% of what I bought originally. Some of the stuff needs to be cleaned up. I'm in the process of restoring it right now. But I have just about one of everything, except for a 1/4-inch ratchet, like this. All the pliers, and cutters, and tubing working tools. More big stuff. This is not even big yet. Uh-oh. Fell out the drawer. Look at this one. Okay, there we go. Back in the groove. Second to last drawer. Torque wrench. Bigger tools. Box end. V438-935 inch and 5/16 box. Bottom drawer, ready? Here we go. This is the drawer. This stuff is huge. 3/4-inch drive. All right. This is a 3/4-inch drive ratchet. This thing is a monster. Give an idea how big it is there. And then I got, oh, that's big too. Big and bigger. Here's my bandsaw. Got tools in here. More tools. Tools in that cabinet. Craftsman bench grinder. Craftsman, old Craftsman drill press. Of course, my box is a proto. Gave away the Craftsman, it was too small.